Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. And I wish I could say it was Friday, September 14th, but once again, recording past midnight, it is Saturday, September 15th. On Friday, I was down 200 bucks, so that's the update, big update of the day. The Apple put actually gained about 26% here, not much. It's not a big deal. Silver and gold trending down once again, pushing EXK down. Endeavor Silver 0.9%, which is affecting a lot of my puts. As you can see here, the EXK puts gained in value, which is not good. I've sold 13 of them. So it's never good when you sell something and it gains value against you. Not good. So that's that. There's a sea of red here going on in the markets. I think they were down about 0.5% or so. The dollar was strong, which is why my portfolio is suffering a little bit. As you may know, I am I have a heavy anti-dollar portfolio, so I got some precious metals, emerging markets. I have a little bit of China, a lot of uranium, some uranium, and so forth. So for me, it's better if the dollar does not suppress the nominal value of assets. So that's how it goes. Now, any trade ideas? None whatsoever right now. I haven't come up with any trade ideas at all. However, one thing I am liking, excuse me, is Ford at the moment. Excuse me. I have sold a Ford put. I did that on August 31st, and it's going to close out pretty soon here in 4 days. The price of Ford is hanging above $9, which is good. That means I'm just going to collect, I'm not going to be obligated to do anything on that premium that I've sold. It's been very stable. Okay, so down here, this last since August 31st, since here, has been pretty stable. Let's go to 1 month chart maybe. Yeah, you can see it on the 1 month here. All right. And so I'm going to be collecting that premium. It stopped falling for the time being because Ford's been on a downward tear, which is probably why I was able to sell at such an attractive price. And now I'm reaping the rewards for that. Very good. And barring any 45-cent drops before our next week. So that's all good and gravy. I have some dividend that I had collected. It's about $15 worth, all in all, coming in from Main, MAIN. It's good. It's good. It's good fund. I think Main Street. So it's a realty, um, real estate monthly payout fund. It's highly praised by investors. They love it. Then I have SD is SDIV. It's a global dividend fund. I actually really like this one. I want to put more in. It's another dividend fund here. So eventually, I want a lot of my portfolio to look like this, but not until I make millions. Not until I make millions. It's a brief update on what happened. Chemical put fell, which is good. Chemical has been a little bit of a pain here, but it's sitting at flat. It needs to climb to 10, but if it hangs around 10, like I mentioned before, I'm not going to be mad. I'm just going to be accumulating some more chemical shares against which I can sell calls further on. NBD. All right, now that we got that covered, the portfolio summary is done. Looking forward to next week when I can, or at least the weekend where I can be thinking about trades and I will share with you what I've come up with, what kind of exciting things are going on in my head, and what I plan on doing on Monday. All right, guys, with that said, peace out.